Hmm? Or you starting New Zealand, eh? What platform you take? SSN. Oh, I never hear about SM Capital. Or new platform? Or new platform. Is it good? Is it a legit platform? You already see the review on Trustpilot about that? I see. Oh, they just part of for a trader. Oh, I see. Oh, they just part. Oh, so how much size your account you take? What is that? 2,000? Oh, 100K challenge. So good luck lah. Good luck. So, what you want? Refresh ah. What refreshment you want? What topic you want for this refreshment? What is that? Direction and confirmation you want? Some about direction and entry confirm. So about direction, eh? So I repeat again lah about direction. Okay. So about direction. So direction. Uh, Start from early, okay. Yeah, alright. So about direction is okay. Like I mentioned before, I only use these three time frame: monthly, weekly, and daily for my direction lah. For direction to looking for direction, I only looking for direction in these three time frame only. Okay. So uh, how to determine the direction? To determine the direction. Uh, we have two ways lah. We have two ways how to identify direction. The first ways is from here. Okay, resistance, support, and the second way is from breakout, breakout sell, breakout buy lah, breakout buy and breakout sell. So marking your zone here like this. So just find all of this in these three time frame: monthly, weekly, and daily. Only find breakout or support and resistance level in monthly, weekly, and daily time frames. Okay, so every time you have a bias, let's say your bias come from monthly or daily, let's say daily, okay, you must to see how one time frame lower. Okay, you can use one or two time frame lower for confirmation. It's mean H4 or H1. But you must to see how H4 pull back into your bias level first. You cannot jump into H1 directly because you must to see how H4 pull back. So if H4 pull back like this, you must to use only H4 as your confirmation. You can use H1 if H1, you can use H1 as confirmation if H4 time frame pull back like this in single structure. Okay. So if you want to use H1 as your confirmation, you must to remember H1 must to give you double breakout. Okay, double breakout. So first breakout and second breakout. A breakout structure. Okay, so uh you can use, let's say H1 only give one breakout here like this. H1 only give one breakout. You can use this breakout to follow the sell, but only put your portion, your target profit only until this level. H1 second breakout. Because why? Because most of the times when plus not manage to break this level, price will fly again lah. 80%. 80% or 70%, 70%, okay, 70%, when price come into this level, price will fly again. If price not manage to break this level. So if you want to focus a sell, please put your sell only until here. If price manage to break. So you can sell until the next level H4. And this is your new trade control. So marking this breakout and find key level. Uh, Best level or any key level like that lah. And then let's say we have key level H1 breakout here and you go to M30. Let's say M30 has a key level here. Let's say QM. So when price come here, you must wait M1 to give you double breakout. The double breakout is mean first time price come M1 press break and press give the second breakout. So the second breakout is low risk. Okay. And if price still manage, if price still break this second breakout, so press give a third breakout. So third breakout still low risk. If third breakout still break, just cut loss. Because most of the time, press will press will not respect lah. It's a sign press will not respect your key level. So just wait another key level lah. Find another key level in upside. Okay. So let's say M1 only give one breakout here. Okay, confirmation M1. You still can take if press hit trend line. Let's say have a trend line. Let's say after have a trend line here, press hit the trend line and M1 give a breakout. You can take this breakout because price already touch the trend line. But if there is no trend line here, so you cannot take M1 second breakout. It's high risk. Low risk if have trend line. So M1 breakout, even first breakout become low risk. If price touch this trend line before before give a breakout. Okay, understand? Is it clear? So I have a question. You want example in the chat? Okay. I go into the chat. Loading. Maybe my internet connection is slow. Maybe. What's that? Wait, let me see your chat. Why my internet's line? Wait. Hey, why internet? Very, very slow. Wait. And for firm challenge, we just should take one setup per day, right? Up to you, up to you. If you ask me, okay, about prop firm, I only take one challenge per day. One setup per day. If I on challenge lah. If I trade on prop firm, I only take one setup per day. Because why? Because prop firm is just I just want take extra money lah to make extra money. So I just make extra money in prop firm. So I focus on personal account. So up to you. Okay. If me, I prefer my way just trade one setup per day and profit your depot to personal account. So in personal account, take lah one, two or three setup per day. Uh, but you must to put your target. Wait, why my line very very slow. Let me delete first. Aish. Okay, okay. You can see my screen now. Okay, nice. Okay. So, for the prop firm challenge, uh, you must to put your target lah. Let's say you take 100. If me lah, if my ways, let's say I take only one, 100K challenge. Okay. So, I will, so basically you will get, margin. Your margin is just like 10K USD. Okay. Because you only can lose until second 10%. So basically 10 only your margin is only 10K. Okay, 10K. So 10K from the 10K, wait. I I will let me calculate first. Okay, from the 10K, I will risk only 3%. 3% lah. 3% per day. Let's say from the so let's say 10%. 3% is only 300. Okay, 300 300 USD. So this is my risk per setup. So maybe from the 300 USD, I will open one lot. I will open one lot. So every setup, my target is only 50 pips, let's say. So if 50 pip, one lot, 50 pips, it's already 100 USD, right? 100 USD. So 100 USD, 500 USD, 500. So you can trade 20 days, maybe 20 days lah per month. So it's already 10 USD, 10 USD, 10K USD lah, 10K USD, 10K USD. So it's more than enough lah. It's a very, very low risk lah. This is a very, very low risk for me because if you lose 30 setup in straight 33 setup, let's say, you lose straight 33 setup. So then you will fail. Your account will fail. So to losing 33 setup in straight is very, very impossible. It's very impossible lah. So I prefer just put one lot and take profit maybe to 30 pips lah, 30 pips or 50 pips. It's more than enough. Even you take only one RR lah, one per one RR. So let's say you only take profit at 30 pips. So in 1 month, it's already 6K USD, 6K USD. So it's already big amount, very big amount lah. So you get the profit 6K. So go depo to your personal account, depo in your personal account. So focus trade in personal account, compounding your personal account. So you want the example here. Okay, you want to see the example. So let's say here, this is a buyers from Delhi, right? Delhi buyers, right? Daily buyers, H4. H4 confirmation here, right? After H4 give a confirmation, so your portion will go to Delhi. So Delhi can be here or here lah, the next Delhi. Yeah, so this is your H4 breakout. So at the same time, this H4 breakout is our trade control also. Also our trade control. So this is our trade control in H4. So go to H1 to find the key level in H1. So press pullback here. After H4 breakout here, H4 breakout, press starting pullback here. So go to H1 to find your key level. So the key level that I see in H4 is here. Okay. So the first key level is here first. And then this is a second key level. So just marking both of this because we doesn't know which level plus will take. We doesn't know. If you ask me, I don't know plus will take this level or this level. So just go to M30. Okay, to see. Okay, M30 also not BPE. Okay, in M30, let me see. BPE or not? Yes, M30 BPE because clean break. Okay, M15 also not M15 not clean break. So basically, you only have one and two level lah at the same time frame. So this is a not best level. So when plus come into this level, you must to wait for M1 confirmation. You must to wait M1 confirmation. So go to M1. So M1 come here, M1. M1 come here, this level. So M1, when M1 come this level, M1 doesn't give any breakout, right? Okay, so just ignore this level. Just ignore and just wait for the another level lah here, this level. So delete this level. So wait here to this level. Another key level lah in here. So in here, press only give one breakout. As you can see lah, press only give one breakout in M1. Okay. Like I mentioned, H1 and above, if our trade control come from H1 or H4 or above, we must wait M1 to give double breakout. Okay. But if M1, okay, if price already hit our trend line and M1 only give one breakout, so it's more than enough. So we can take. We already can take. We already can take. Okay, so let's find the trend line. So here, let me see here. Maybe trend line here. Okay, this trend line is out, not inside the zone. So ignore this trend line. So find another trend line. So this trend line also outside in the zone. So don't take. So go to H4 first. Okay, let's say if have any trend line in H4. In H4, I doesn't see any trend line. So go to H1, H1. Let me see first. If I take this trend line, this is trend line type 6. Okay, not inside the zone. This trend line, not inside the zone, cannot take. This trend line also cannot take. So try here. This trend line, not inside the zone. So what I see, H1 doesn't give any trend line inside our zone. Maybe here. Let me see here. Last. Not inside the zone. So H1 doesn't have any trend line. Go to M30. In M30, what is that? What do you mean about inside the zone? So trend line must be inside the zone. Trend line, if you find the trend line must be inside the zone for entry. I see it's called close the zone. Let close the zone. I mean, let's say if you want to use trend line as your confirmation, your trend line must be inside the zone like this. Inside the zone. This is our zone. This is our zone for entry. This is key level. Okay, key level. So trend line must be inside the zone. So must be inside the zone. No matter here or here, but inside the zone. Then you can take the trend line. Like this, you cannot take this trend line. Okay, this is a trend line. This is our trend line. But this trend line is not inside the zone. So don't take this trend line because if you take this trend line, high possibility, plus will floating lah, you will get the floating because this trend line outside the zone. So basically, we use the trend line as confirmation or confluence. Understand? Understand or not? Okay. So Almost body of trend line. What is that? What is almost body? What you mean? Almost body? Have inside the zone. Yes, trend line must be inside the zone. Only have trend line inside the zone, then you can take entry. So no need. Basically, you no need to wait plus to come inside this trend line. To come to touch this trend line. As long plus already come to this zone, but not hit the trend line yet, you can take. But as long have a trend line inside the zone. The rule is you must to have trend line inside the zone. So basically, this trend line is our confirmation. So we will expect our expectation is if price come into this zone, let's say, price will only floating until the trend line. Okay, let's say we already enter here. So our expectation price will only floating until this trend line lah. Maybe like this. Like this. Uh, so as long you have a trend line inside the zone, you already can take the entry. So what I can see here in M30 doesn't have any trend line in M30 inside the zone. So go to M15. The last time frame is M15. You can use M5, but M5 is high risk. Okay, so only go to M15. So M15, as you can see here, maybe we have trend line. Here, inside the zone, right? Inside the zone. Right, inside the zone, you can see here. This trend line is inside the zone. So you can take this trend line. It means after press touch this trend line, and M1 give a breakout like this. Press touch this trend line and M1 give a breakout like this. Breakout confirmation. Then you can take, already can take the entry. So no need wait for M1 second confirmation. No need. You understand? Or you already can take entry here lah. Just put small entry here. After M1 give breakout here. So put other layering here lah. So first layer is here. Second layer after M1 give a breakout. Okay, understand? Okay. So this is how I entry. So have a question? So want to request any chapter for recap? You want to send me all the entry you take? Okay. Yes, yes. Please, please. Telegram, eh? Let me see. Nice. So here. Oh, this is the entry you take lah today. Is it buy lah, buy entry? So how you take? This is already entry or oh, which one? You entry point here, this level. Oh, so you take what is that? What H1 time frame? Oh yeah, yeah, that's correct lah. BPE, right? Is it BPE? H1 BPE lah. Breakout come, side control come from H4. Okay, so this is correct. Okay. So this is correct lah. So which level here or on the current market price? Let me see. H1 maybe this level, right? Which one Oh, this level. Yeah, yeah, this level. So you take from here. Let me see. H4. Oh, so this is not H4 trade control basically. H4 trade control is here. So this is not H4, the lower one. This is the H1. This is the H1. So basically H1 thread control. Okay, H1 thread control. So H1 thread control, but you can see here have a key level here. So this is a QM and BPE. Just make it become one zone, because if you make it become one zone, the zone is still small. If you can see here, only 15 bits. So go to M30. M30 also BPE. Okay, also BPE. Also QM, sorry. Also QM. And 15. Also QM. So you can take lah. You can wait M1 confirmation lah. So M1 can be only one touch lah. One breakout. Also can. Okay. Let's say M1, let's say if you have a base level and M1 only give a one breakout, also can take. But if you still want to wait M1 second breakout, also can. Up to you. Okay. And here, also you take after M1 gives second breakout. Or you just take because of base level or not? Oh, okay, okay. So that's correct lah. That's correct. If you still want to wait M1 confirmation, also can. This is M1 first breakout. Fail. Okay, fail here. And M1 give another breakout here. So after another breakout here, so just can take entry lah here. Also can. So basically, you can also get the second entry, second layering, second entry when H4. You can see here. After you take entry here in this level, H4 give a breakout, right? After H4 give a breakout, you can take this level. Okay, take like this and press pullback here. Press pullback here. Okay, press pullback here. You can see here, the shadow, right? Breakout, shadow, pullback. So you can take. Okay, this is our pullback. So in H4, we can see in H4 at the same time also have a BPE or key level. So can take this key level. So go to H1. In H1, doesn't have any key level. Doesn't have. So go to M30. In M30, we have a QM here, QM. So QM here. Pullback is here because pullback here. So M15. Go to M50 and M15. M30 have a QM. M15 also QM lah. Here QM low, high, lower, low. So this is also a base level. So this is your first entry. So basically, the first entry is here. You can get the first entry here in this level, QM, and this BPE. So basically, this is your first entry. First entry is here, and then this is our second entry. First entry, second entry. First entry is here. This is first entry. This is a second entry. You can get second entry. And then third entry also can. You also can get third entry. After press come to this level and press go up, go to H1 to see. Okay, H1 doesn't give any trade control at this time. Go to M30. In M30, what you can see we have here. Right, this is a new trade control, right? Okay, so marking this level. Go to M15. In M15, we have a we just have a QM here. So I already mentioned before. Not I already mentioned before. Okay, let's say you have a key level. Let's say, sorry. Let's say you have a trade control. Okay, so if your trade control zone like this, if your trade control zone is not more than 30 pips, let's say like this, not more than 30 pips, so you can take. No need to precise. You still need to precise to go to lower time frame to find key level. You need you still need to find the key level, but no need wait press to touch the key level. So as long we have a key level, so we already can entry at our trade control zone like this. So when press come here, Just wait M1 confirmation. Just wait lah. M1. M1 to give the breakout. So M1 give breakout here. After M1 give breakout here. So already can take the entry. So this is our first entry, second entry. Like this lah. First entry here, first entry here, second entry. This is a third entry. Third entry is here. This is a third entry. Okay, understand? Okay. So just simple for me. It's very very simple. Just find the trade control. The most important is trade control. Don't marking your trade control wrong. Okay. Don't mark it wrong because if your trade control is wrong, your key level automatically will be wrong. Okay. So, have any other question? Okay, current market price. You want to see the current market price here? Okay, here, right? Okay, you are waiting to sell. So we have here, we have a buyers, right? But please wait. Okay, this buyers, the real buyers come from weekly, not daily. Okay, because this is a parallel level. Its mean parallel level is weekly and daily is at the same level. This is a parallel level. So for the confirmation, the lowest confirmation only can be at H4. You only can use H4 as confirmation because why? Because okay, H4 confirmation can be used for daily and weekly, but H1 confirmation only can use for daily. H1 cannot use for weekly, right? So the lowest you only can use H4. The lowest only until H4 for our confirmation. If you still want to use H1 for our confirmation, for your confirmation, it depends on your lah. The depends on your on this lah. It's on your on this. Okay. So you can find the key level. So weekly, go to daily to find the key level. So daily is here. This is a BPE, right? Is it correct? Okay. So go to H4 to find another BPE. So in H4, go to line chart. Okay. We have this level, but this is not very valid lah. Not too valid. Not very good lah. Not very good. High quality BPE because price already give a curve here. Curve. So not a very good quality lah. So if you still want to take this level also can, but I prefer go to H1 to precise your key level. So if you go to H1, what you can see here in H1 we have a BPE here, right? So you can take BPE. Go to line chart, you can see here BPE in H1. So take this BPE as your zone. So this VP doesn't have a shadow, so just take the shadow lah, the left shadow. Just take as your zone. Okay. So another level is this is a good level because we have a BPE and also here lah QM. Okay. So go to H4. In H4, the second zone is here. High, low, high, high. So here, QM, right? QM. But it's very big. So go to H1 to precise. In H1, here lah. If you precise to H1, we only can take here. Because if you want to precise to this level, so this is not valid BPE, you can see. This is not valid BPE, right? So you can take this BPE. So we have two zone for waiting. So just monitor these two zone for your entry point. You understand? Yes, you can wait for M1 confirmation or trend line. Let's say go to H4, we have trend line here. Let's say tomorrow, plus hit the trend line here. So just sell lah. Just sell. Just sell. But still remember what our portion for reversal MC? What time frame? Portion for reversal MC. Yes. So here, let's say price touch this level, portion can be here. This portion lah. So from here, it's already 200 pip. It's very, very big portion. So if portion is very big for reversal, so it's high risk if portion too big. So you can use H1. Maybe H1, maybe tomorrow H1 be like this. Maybe H1 like this tomorrow. So put your portion here. So this is your first TP, first target profit. So when price come to this level, close partial. Then this is our second target profit. This is TP2, TP1. So TP2, TP1 is 100 pips. TP2 is 250 pips. Okay, understand? All right. So have a question? Okay, so no question. If no question, I think that's all, right? Okay. So if you have anything, just ask me. Okay, you can ask me. All right. Okay. So that's all for today. So happy. Have a